हेलो गाइज, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज मैं फिर से आपके लिए कुछ डेफिनेशंस लेकर आ गई हूँ। तो पहला डेफिनेशन आज का देखते हैं, जो कि है डिग्री। ए राइट एंगल इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 90 इक्वल पार्ट्स कॉल्ड डिग्रीज। नेक्स्ट, पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन। सॉल्यूशन ऑब्टेन्ड बाय गिविंग पर्टिकुलर वैल्यूज टू द ऑर्डिनरी कांस्टेंट्स in the general solution of a differential equation is called a particular solution. Next, general solution, the solution which contains as many arbitrary constants as the order of the differential equation is called general solutions. Next, solution, the solution of a differential equation is an equation between the variables involved which satisfies the differential equation. Degree of differential equation, the degree of differential equation is the degree of highest order derivatives when differential coefficients are made from radicals and fractions. Differential equations, an equation containing an independent variable, dependent variable and differential coefficients of different variable with respect to independent variable is called a differential equation. Next, minutes. Each degree is divided into 60 equal parts called minutes. Plane. A plane is a surface such that if any 2 points are taken on it, the line segment joining them lies completely on the surface. Next, tetrahedron. A tetrahedron is a 3-dimensional figure formed by 4 triangles. Next, negative of a vector. The vector which has the same magnitude of the vector A but opposite direction is called the negative of a vector. Next, coterminous vectors. Vectors having same terminal points are called coterminous vectors. Collinear or parallel vectors. Vectors having the same or parallel support are called collinear vectors. Like and unlike vectors. Vectors are said to be like when they have the same sense of direction and unlike when they have opposite directions. Next, zero or null vector. A vector whose initial and terminal points are coincides is called zero or null vector. Next, seconds. Each minute is obtained from 60 equal parts called seconds. Mean deviation. Mean deviation is defined as the arithmetic mean of the absolute deviations of all the values taken out any central value. Localized and free vectors. A vector which is drawn parallel to a given vector through a specified point in space is called a localized vector. Next, reciprocal of a vector. A vector having the same direction as that of a given vector A but magnitude equal to the reciprocal of the given vector is known as a reciprocal of a vector. Next, coplanar vector. A system of vectors is said to be a coplanar if their support are parallel to the same plane. Coinitial vectors. Vectors having the same initial point are called coinitial vectors. Unit vectors. A vector whose modules is unity is called a unit vector. And last definition is equal vectors. Two vectors A and B are said to be equal, written as A is equal to B. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe and share my channel.